Hi, I'm Jeff Gamet for the Mac Observer, and I'm at CES 2018, and I'm with Kelly from Nite Iyz, and she's going to show me her cord collar, which turns out to be something that I have been looking for forever. This is essentially a holy grail for anyone that has an iPhone charging cord. Kelly, tell me about this, please.
Sure. So, like you said, this is the holy grail. It's a simple solution to a common problem that a lot of people have, and that is frayed charging cables, right? So the end of the cables end up damaged a lot of times. They end up frayed, which actually can be very dangerous, can cause electrical fires. So we have created this little cord collar that slides onto the end of a cable and keeps it protected in one of those most vulnerable points. It also provides some protection and identification. So if you have multiple cables, multiple people in the house that you want to identify your cord over theirs, we've got a few different colors that help with that. It slides on with this installation tool.
Okay.
So this spreads open, you slide it on, and the idea is that it lives there, obviously, and stays on your cable and keeps it protected.
Okay, so the tool, when you slide this on, you're sliding over the connector itself, in this case
Right.
USB.
Right?
And then when you release it, how does the tool come back out? Do you have to do anything special to?
You don't have to do anything special. Let's see if I can actually put a second one on here.
Oh, I believe in you.
So much pressure. So it takes some finagling, especially on a larger cable end like this. But you slide it on, and I don't want that to catch. Push it through. And I'm actually going to release the tool now and just wiggle it down the rest of the way. It's not the most graceful thing, but...
But you only need to do it once on the cable, because
Right.
once it's there, it's there.
Exactly.
So once this is on, you've reinforced the connection point, and if it's frayed, you've covered up where it's breaking,
Sweet point.
hopefully preventing it from breaking more.
Exactly. That's the idea.
Okay, that's really cool. How much do these cost?
These retail for about $4.99, and you get a pack with multiple colors inside of it. So
And the tool?
And the tool.
Okay, and when will this be available?
This will be available in the next probably month or two.
So in February or March?
Exactly.
Okay, and where will people be able to find these?
The best place to find these is going to be on niteiyz.com.
Okay, and I'm assuming the spelling of the website is a little bit different because of the company name, so what is that?
So it's Nite-Iyz.
Okay, niteiyz.com. Great. Well, Kelly, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for showing me the cord collar.
Of course, absolutely.
I'm Jeff Gamet for the Mac Observer. Thanks for watching.